Entering Slime City by train, you can feel the ooze before you even see it. The tracks hum a haunting melody, carrying you past the neon lights of the local strip club. But nothing in Slime City stands out like the old city library. Years ago, when the first outbreaks hit, the library became a hotspot for paranormal sludge. Books floated, shelves rattled, and green residue seeped through every crack. When the spirits pushed too far, the citizens panicked and burned the building down, hoping fire would cleanse the corruption. It didn't. The flames only drove the spirits deeper. Since then, the library has been somewhat quiet, but never truly dormant. And now, the readings are spiking again. The ooze is rising, brighter and hotter than ever, pulsing through the ruins like a heartbeat. Something down there is waking up. The last few weeks, people have started to disappear. Haunting images have been reported appearing throughout the library, and green slime seems to have manifested itself in and around the library. That's where you come into the picture. Slime City needs someone reckless enough to get close and skilled enough to survive the encounter. Just be warned. Whatever woke up down there hasn't forgotten the last time someone interfered. Should things go sideways, the FPV store is standing by to get you airborne again, pilot. Good luck on the mission. The city depends on you.